What's going on, everybody? I'm your guy Rez, and you already know I am back again with y'all on my channel for another dope video. Welcome, everybody. So I just want to give a huge shout out to the homie Gustavo for blessing me with this pickup that I'm about to share with y'all. I have been eyeing this thing ever since it got announced on the sneaker community, sneaker news, and all that stuff. I know I haven't really showed any kicks on my channel recently. That's because I haven't really been buying any shoes, guys. Until today, that is. You want to see his page or get something, you know, maybe he could hook you up like he hooked me up with this. But check him out, man. I will leave a link to his Instagram page on the bottom of the description of my video, and then also here side by side if you want to check out how to spell his page. And, you know, I'll screenshot it and you can see it right here on my side view of the screen. He was able to hook me up with this dope pair of Air Jordan 3s. As you can see right here, this is an Air Jordan 3 modern box right here. As you can see, just to give you guys a closer look, there's the Nike Air, the size 11, and this is the Jordan 3 retro white fire red black colorway. So this has been on my radar for a long time, guys, but let me take out the lid for you. There is a red coloring inside of the lid, and of course you get the tissue paper, which is like elephant print, as you can see, and then you also get another piece of paper which is just a plain color, and you also get this nice little card right here. I always feel like they go super fancy with the Jordan 3 boxes, but yeah, it just kind of has like a little, what is this, like, kind of talks about the technology of the shoe. You know, talks about the sock liner, the air unit, the heel sole, and all that stuff. So there's that, and then of course the sneaker. Let me show you guys. Bam! As you can see right here, this pair, guys, retailed for $210, I believe. There's no price on here, but I believe it was $210 retail. This released this past weekend, September 10th, 2022. Yet again, except now they gave it the OG treatment. And what I mean by that is they tried to stick as close to the original pair back in 1988. As you can see right there, it has the cement print now with the Nike Air finishing. So that Nike Air, guys, just hits different. You know, I know a lot of like the other Jordan 3 retros that came out throughout the years had a Jumpman on the back of the heel tab, but now they decided to stick and stay true to the original sneaker with the Nike Air treatment. So yeah, guys, you know, this sneaker, like I said, I wasn't very big on 3s when I first got into Jordans, to be quite honest with you. I thought that 3s were very plain to me, and then as I got older and my outfits started to get more simplified, I noticed that the Jordan 3s just really complemented the outfits that I wore as I got older, man. So, you know, I know the Jordan 3s are not everybody's favorite, but they're definitely on my top, like, I'd say my top 5 Jordan retro models. The 3s are definitely up there, guys. So, yeah, you know, let me go into some detail with the shoe. So, the leather, for those of you who are wondering, really nice tumble leather. As you can see, it wrinkles. There's a lot of wrinklage, or I don't even know if wrinklage is a word. But as you can see, as I press my index finger on the toe box, it starts to crease like that. That's actually a good sign of the leather. It means that they use good quality leather right there. You have the elephant print, which is slightly darker. The only thing I wish they did with the elephant print is if they made it a little more darker, like the OG pair, because it's still kind of lighter than the original one that Jordan wore, but they definitely made it a little bit darker. Here's my black cement pair that came out a few years ago. I don't know if you could really catch the difference right there, but this one is lighter, slightly lighter than the one on the Fire Red 3 pair, but it's supposed to be a lot darker, guys. So I think like the 2007 pair, they got it, they made it really dark, which stayed, like, it was closer to the original, but then didn't have a Nike Air in the back. They added the Jumpman, and then this this version, they added the Nike Air, but then they didn't make it as dark. So I think if they combined a little bit of the 2007 pair with this current pair, this would have been flawless. But anyways, it's not the end of the world. You know, it's still dope nonetheless. You could always probably dye the elephant print. You can see right there. You have a painted midsole like traditional 3s would have. You have a painted red right there. It's kind of like a fire red, basically. And then the white midsole with the air bubble unit. And then here is the heel tab right there with that Nike Air and that fire red color. And you have this nice little red right there as well. And then right here where the laces go on the top to tie, you have that red as well. And then of course you have some gray right there on the upper portion to tie the shoe. And then you have the nice little the little holes right there, the 3 holes in that red. And the tongue, you can see right there, got the red Jumpman that is embroidered on the tongue. And then inside you have the red right there, and then you have a gray sock inliner or inliner right there. And then I don't know if you can catch that. It's another thing that you get, orange tab that like a lot of the OG Nikes came with when you bought them back in the day. But it's really cool because you now have, again, the Nike Air treatment on the insole right there with that red insole. It's a size 11, guys. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you could see they have that clean sole. Still never touched the ground yet. As you could see, Nike. Don't worry, guys. I fully intend to wear these and get the most out of these. So there is that nice sole of the Jordan 3. So in terms of sizing, guys, I always felt that the 3s were a little bit on the bigger size. In my opinion, they fit me nice. They make your feet kind of look big. If that means anything, I don't know how to explain it, but it definitely stands out when you wear them. So I think if you wear like a simple outfit and you wear these, guys, your sneakers will do the talking for you. You could also wear with a jersey like this, 49ers. Bang bang Niner gang, you feel me? But yeah, this is a dope pair that I'm adding to my collection. I now have the white cement 88s, the 3s. I have the true blue 3s. I'm looking at them up here, and then I have the black cements, and now I have the fire reds. So I completed that OG set right there of the 4 3s that matter the most to me. I'm sure, and it matters the most to a lot of OG nostalgic Jordan sneakerheads, if you will. So really hope that Jordan Brand releases the military 4s. I know they have been like rumored for many years. So because I would love to add those to my 4 collection as well, my sneaker arsenal. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for these shoes right here, guys. If you're lucky, your local mall may still have sizes. My homie told me that he went to a local sneaker shop by his area and he was able to find these in store, man. So, you know, I told him he could get them for me. Of course, looked out for me, man. So he was able to bless me with this pair right here. So that's a good sign, guys. You know, I know this is an OG colorway. A lot of OG colorways from Jordans usually do not sit. They do every now and then, but not all the time. So it's kind of a hit or miss. But if you're an OG head, man, I'm sure this was a must cop on your list. And if not, then I'm very surprised. But I had to get these nonetheless, guys. But anyways, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for me in this little quick pickup review. I know I didn't put them on feet yet, but don't worry, guys. If I do an on-foot video or if I put them on feet, I'll probably show you guys on the channel as well in another video. But this is what they look like brand new, guys. If you're looking to see what they look like when you buy them straight from the store or take them fresh, brand new out the box, this is what they would look like. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 3 Fire Red. Were you guys feeling these? Were you not? Did you hit? Did you get a W? Did you get an L? Are you looking for them? Whatever, you know, I just love to hear a discussion starting the thread about this shoe right here. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna head on out of here. It's getting real hot in this room. So I will go, but I'll see y'all in the very next video that I upload. So your boy Rez, Signing off. We out.